Hello students, welcome to Java practical class. In this video I am demonstrating how to execute a Java applet program in Eclipse IDE. In this example I am taking how to handle the mouse events. Mouse events are the operations that can be performed using mouse, such as mouse drag, mouse move, mouse enter, mouse exit and so on. Let us begin our program in Eclipse. In order to start Eclipse, we have to search for the drives where it is stored. So click on this PC, that is my computer. In my computer I am storing Eclipse in D drive, resource, Eclipse Java Luna and Eclipse. Here we have to select Eclipse application. So it is asking for the workspace. Workspace is the location where we can store our project. Actually it is a folder inside D drive. I have given Java program as the name of workspace. Eclipse is loading. Let us wait for that. Now we have created two projects under the workspace. In any one of the project we can create the applet program. To create that, right click on SRC, go to new and select class. We have to give the class name. Since it is to handle mouse events, give M events as a name of class, and we should not select this public static void main for applet program. This is only for application program. So uncheck this because it is applet program. Click on finish. M event is a class name and M event is a file name also. M events.java is a file name. In order to reduce the time, I have the copy of this entire program. I have copied and I will explain which are all the methods we need to implement in order to handle the mouse events. So look at this. Mouse events is a class name that is we have created just now, and it is extending the class applet. Applet is a parent class and M events is a child class for this program, and our class M events is implementing mouse listener and mouse motion listener. These two are the interfaces we are implementing. Interface means it is a set of methods which are not implemented, but in this program we need to implement. So they provide a set of methods which are not implemented, only their abstract methods will be declared inside the interfaces. So select this mouse listener and observe mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed and mouse released are automatically selected. That is, these methods, these are all the methods are inside mouse listener. Similarly, select mouse motion listener so that automatically mouse dragged and mouse moved is selected. That is, these two are the methods that are available inside mouse motion listener interface, and we need to implement all these methods to handle the mouse actions, mouse operations. So in this program we have taken one string variable message msg and make it null initially, and we have taken two integer variables x and y. Initially they are 0. These two variables are to find out the position of mouse pointer. So this is the mouse pointer which is moving on the screen. To find out the position of the mouse pointer on the screen, we are using x and y variable to monitor the coordinate position of mouse pointer. Now in the init method we are adding mouse listener and mouse motion listener. So this is the operation what we need to perform if there is an action mouse clicked. If the mouse is clicked, what are the things to happen? X should become 50, Y should become 50 and the status should be displayed as mouse clicked. Similarly, this is the method mouse entered. So when the mouse is entered from outside to the inside of the applet window, at that time this event will be triggered and action is X value, coordinate of X value and Y coordinate should become 2020 and the status should be displayed as mouse entered. Similarly, when the mouse is exited from the applet window, then this message has to be displayed as the status method, status message, and when we press the mouse, when we click the mouse, then message has to be displayed as down in the mouse position. So get X and get Y means wherever the mouse is located, at that position what is the X value and what is the Y value, that will be returned from get X and get Y respectively. At that position only down will be displayed. Similarly, when we release the mouse, so at that position only it will display up as a message. Similarly, when we drag the mouse, drag means click and move the mouse. That is the operation that is called as mouse drag. I will tell you once again. Mouse drag means click and move the mouse pointer to some other location. That is the drag operation. So when we drag the mouse, it has to display mouse dragged at that position, X position and Y position, wherever we drag the mouse. Similarly, when we move the mouse, when we change the position of the mouse pointer without clicking, simply when we move the mouse pointer, at that time this event will be triggered and the message will be displayed mouse moved at X position and Y position, wherever the mouse pointer is located at that point of time. And all these messages, MSG is a string variable that has to be displayed with the font style Lucida handwriting and with the 36 font size. 36 is a font size and Lucida handwriting is the font type, font style, and this 2 is italic. So this second parameter is, if it is 0 then it is regular, if it is 1 then it is bold, if it is 2 it is italic, and 3 it is italic bold. So we have used 2. So the message will be displayed, whatever the message, that is down, up, mouse dragged at position, moved at X and Y coordinate, that message will be displayed with this font with italic and with 36 font size in XY position. So this is about the complete program. Let us run this program and check the mouse actions. In order to run, go to run and run as Java applet. So this is Java applet window. Look at this. I am moving the mouse whichever the position I am changing. It is changing the coordinate value of X and Y. Mouse moved at 96, 66. So when I change 90, 99. So 93, 105. So mouse is changing its position in X and Y coordinate, first value. So that is 152 is X value and 112 is Y value. Similarly, whenever we change the position of the mouse, it is taking the action that it has to display the position of mouse, that is mouse moved at that XY position. Similarly, I am dragging the mouse now. So clicking and changing the position of mouse, click and move. So at that time also it is showing the XY position only, but mouse dragged is a message. Mouse dragged at position X and Y coordinate. And look at this, down and up is also when I click and hold, it is showing down, that is key pressed. When I release, it is showing up. When I click, this is pressed, at that time it is showing down, and when I release, it is showing up. According to the program, it is working. And look at the status. This is the status when I enter inside the window. When the mouse pointer is inside, it is showing mouse entered as a status. When I come outside, when the mouse pointer come outside the applet window, it is showing mouse exited. Look at this, mouse exited. So when the mouse enter, it will show mouse entered. Similarly, when you click, mouse clicked is a status. So for all the events, this program is taking different action, and accordingly it is showing the message at proper position, whether it is at the monitor screen at XY position, or it may be status message. So that is how we can execute the mouse events. In the next video, we will see how to run an application program, and also how to execute HTML program and JavaScript program also can be executed in Eclipse environment. So we will see that kind of examples, which are some complex examples we can see and we can execute. Thank you for watching the video.